Hi, my dear tiny tots. How are you all? Good morning. Myself, Kavipriya. Welcome back to our English class. Okay, today we are going to see one and many. Today our topic is one and many. One is used for one name, person, animal, or thing. Many is used for more than one place, animal, or thing. Many is used for more than one things. One is used for only one thing. Many is used for more than one. Now let's see some examples, and then we should add s to make one thing for as a many thing. We should add yes. One star, many stars. One star, many stars. See, more than one star is called as many star. More than one means many. Here how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than one. So many stars, and we add yes. When we talk about many, we should add yes. Don't forget to add yes, children. Many stars. One star, many stars. One bag, many bags. More than one means many. 1, 2. How many bags are there here? 2 bags. So many bags. We should add yes. Always we should add s for many, children. One bag, many bags. Many bags. One dog, many dogs. 1, 2, 3 dogs are there here. More than one. So many dogs. More than one means many. 1, 2, 3 dogs are there. More than one. So many. One dog, many dogs. One dog, many dogs. Add yes. One pot, many parts. More than one means many. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. More than one means many. So one part, 3 parts. One part, 3 parts. Add yes for many, children. One net. Here 2 nets. One net, 2 nets. More than one is many. 1, 2. So more than one. So more than one is many. One net, 2 nets. Add s for many, children. One net, 2 nets. One bun, 3 buns. One bun, 3 buns. One bun, 1, 2, 3 buns. More than one is many. So 3 buns. You should say 3 buns. Add s and say 3 buns. One bun, 3 buns. Now let's see some examples. One pencil, more than one pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. One pencil, 4 pencils. One, many. One, many. One pencil, more than one pencil is many pencils. One pencil, more than one pencil is many pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. We should add s when we talk about many, children. Don't forget to add yes when you talk about many. One clip, many clips. One clip, many clips. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. One clip, 5 clips. One clip, 5 clips. One clip, many clips. More than one is many. One clip, many clips. One bangle, many bangles. One bangle, many bangles. For many, how you should say? Bangles. We should add yes. One bangle, many bangles. One ring, many rings. 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. 4 rings. One ring, more than one is many. One ring, many rings. 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. How we should say? Rings. We should add yes. One ring, many rings. One doll, 1, 2, 3 dolls. One doll, 3 dolls. One doll, 3 dolls. One, many. One, many. One doll, 3 dolls. We should add s when we talk about many. So, one doll, 3 dolls. One, many. One, many.